taking the Himalayan for its MOT. It run out in July, but it's never been used, and I've just never had the time until now. So September the 19th, I think it is, or something. I've just never had the time to take it, so I'm going to take it. I was booked in for 1 o'clock, so. Let's pop over to Bellingham. See Mark, Riverside Garage. There's all my MOTs on my bikes. Well, it's closest as well for me, actually. Beautiful day again. It was very, very misty and foggy this morning when I woke up, like, but it's sharp burnt off that and moved, like, so. So shall we go? We shall go. Get the visor doing. Shake the legs doing. Let's use our legs. After the front brake's working fine. And the back brake. They got up the hill there. You know what they're doing up there? Ooh. Doing something on the hillside there. Gloucester! Yep, that coffee's shut again. Funny marks on the bloody on the visor. Then this is a squish bug or something, really. It's hard to tell because it's right in the middle of my eyes actually, like, so unless somebody's trying to shoot us between the eyes. Across the little bridge over the reed. Right folks, I'll bring you back when we get to Bellingham. We're just heading down in towards Bellingham now, but this guy, I've been thinking 20 miles an hour. I don't know what he's doing, like. You know, he's bloody drunk or what? Or he's just taking a mickey. Unless you're just trying to be awkward because there's a bike behind you. Silly man. I don't think he knows. I'm not sure if he knows the road actually. Right? Come to think about it, right? He might not know where he's going. He might be looking for somewhere, supposedly. Well, what he could possibly be looking for, apart from the golf course on the left. Oh, the little few houses on the right there. Goodness knows. Suppose it takes our sauce. Back on Lane's Bridge. Once you hit that one on the right and spun our bike round because there was a car coming across here in the middle of the road. And to try to get it close to the wall as possible to miss it, and the bloody handlebars caught the wall and spun her round. She missed the car, like, she didn't hit the car. But just spun the bike round, she fell over, bless her, like. It was alright, she wasn't hurt, it was just falling down, I suppose, like falling off the bike, like that. Bless her. She tried, like, she was putting game for trying. There's only a few miles on the bike actually, like, around the local roads, yeah, like, but so it's going down to the garage now. Probably really too early, but never mind. Right, that's it done. Clean bill of health. Passing me on advisories. So all's good. Get the helmet doing properly. Good for another year. Let's go! Bellingham Inc. Tattooist. Bellingham. Right where you wouldn't think there would be a tattooist, but there is. Get the visor doing, let's go. Sunny weather, all outside the calf. Yeehaw! The old idly. And the mortuary there on the corner. The old mortuary. And the new houses that are getting built. Fasten my jacket up a bit there. I think I've got something with the coat, that's it. That's better. Gold wing jacket on a Royal Enfield Himalayan. Yeehaw! Oh, we're just approaching Rochester from the other direction. Woohoo! Lovely jubbly. Rochester, Northumberland, by the way, which is a tiny wee village. Where there was a little Roman encampment, a Roman camp, Brigantium or something. I don't know if it was Brigantium, but something like that was beginning to be. Might be Brigantium actually, but it was over there, like, I mean, there's a bit of ruins for it, like it. But it was a Roman camp, Roman camping on where to Chew Green, because Chew Green's not, probably only about 6 miles from here actually, like, which is another Roman camp on the ranges, Cotton Top Ranges. Nah, I can't pass, like. I'm surprised them other bikes haven't, like. Nah, they are coming past me, right. he was cutting it a bit fine there because he couldn't see what was coming round that corner, that bend, like. There's a straight coming up now, son, so you can get away. Well, I'm not, because I'm turning off yet, because I'm at home. Oh.